Alright guys, this is a very quick video on how you can bring your Binance Live straight to your own page so that it will be easy for you to just go straight into your Binance Live and do what you have to do. And also I'm going to be showing you how you can put in your CryptoBox services into your main page as well, so that you won't have to be clicking too many buttons on your Binance app to find those pages. All right, so yeah, thank you for being on this channel. If you're a new user, thank you for being here. If you have been an existing user, thank you for being here as well. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, like the channel, like the videos. You can also drop a comment in the comment section and hit the notification bell so you can get videos like this when I release them. Now I'm going to make this a quick video. Now all you need to do is come to your Binance app. Once you come to your Binance app, normally usually you want to scroll down so much until you see where you have marketplace, and then you click on Binance Live, and then you come to this Binance Live. But there's a quicker way to go into your Binance Live, which I'm going to show you right now. So I'm just going to exit right now. So when you come to your main home page, you have different page. You come to your home, all right, then you come to where you have more right here, more. Once you click on more, you see this current homepage services. You see this right corner here where you have something like an edit tool. Click on the edit tool, and then it brings you, okay, let me just delete this ones right here. So you can see there are empty boxes right here for me to fill. So all I need to do is I'm just going to go down. These are options right here. You can see plus sign in each of these icons beside them. So what I want to do is I want to fill these three grayed boxes here with the ones that I usually would want to always go into whenever I come to my Binance app. So I have Binance Live here. I'm just going to click it. You can see that's filled one. I have two grayed boxes remaining, so I want to put in my CryptoBox in one. You can see I put in my CryptoBox. And then if you're the kind of person that does this world every day, Binance gives you the opportunity to do word game in form of puzzle, and then at the end of the week you'll be given some incentives in form of BUSD. So just you can also put your word right here. You can see those services have been entered. Now the three grade boxes have been filled. Now once you do that, just click on done. Click on done now. So I have those services right up in my channel. So when I go back to my home page, I can now see them right here. You can see them right here: Binance Live, CryptoBox, World. So I won't have to be scrolling down to go to my Binance Live, or I won't have to be clicking this button here to come to my crypto tab. All right, you can see my my CryptoBox. You can see right there, but I'm going to go straight to my homepage. So on my homepage, I have everything that I need. I hope this video has been helpful, guys, and if it makes sense to you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do the same for yourself on your Binance app. I'm going to be leaving a link to my Telegram page so you can be getting CryptoBoxes codes every day. Just click on the link to my Telegram page, subscribe to this channel, and then you're good to go. Bye for now, guys.